I'm so excited to share this news with you. I finally finished my hormone yoga therapy certification. And of course, I'm still waiting for the recognition by the Swiss health insurance companies. But it doesn't stop me to organize this amazing beta course workshop. So this workshop is for you if you are serious about female health, anti-aging, and understanding your body, understanding how with the age 35 plus the hormones are changing in our body and what impact it has on the health. So you know that I am a science-based nutritionist. I specialize in gastrointestinal issues and hormonal imbalances, and that's why I dived also deeper into this topic. So if you never heard about hormone yoga therapy, I want to tell you a little bit about it. So it has been developed in 1990 by a psychologist and hormone yoga teacher, Dina Rodriguez. And now she's Brazilian and she's 97 and she is still teaching. And she was giving me personalized feedback. And she's so stretchy and looks so beautiful and so smart that she is a true inspiration for me. You can Google her or you can learn more about her in my workshop. So what did she develop? What did she notice? So she has been teaching yoga for 50 years. And she noticed that many women, when they were doing really this Bastrika breath, they were able to change their body shape. So they had more female shape, but not the belly fat. They could have a visible waistline. And many of them, even though they were infertile before, going through unsuccessful IVF, they conceived naturally within a couple of weeks. So she developed this special sequence for women to support the three important glands. It's a thyroid gland. We know that the thyroid hormones are responsible, it's like a thermostat in the body. They're responsible for burning the calories, for the metabolism, whether you feel cold and hot, whether you sleep well. And thyroid is sending message to the ovaries, which hormone should be produced. Should there be more estrogen? We never want to have more estrogen. That's causing sore breast. It's causing pain in the ovaries during the menstruation, premenstrual syndrome. You want to always have it balanced. So you want to learn how to, especially in perimenopause and menopause, increase the progesterone, because progesterone is a pregnancy hormone. And that's why during the pregnancy, women usually feel amazing. The rush from their body disappears. The hair grows nicely. They have beautiful skin, right? So this pregnancy hormone is key to anti-aging. And Dina developed special sequences that you can exercise. And even though you are already menopausal, your ovaries can still produce estrogen and progesterone. So you are not going to ovulate because you don't have the eggs, but you can rebalance the hormones. And the third gland that she is focusing on is adrenal gland. That's the one that is producing cortisol, the stress hormone, and that it's completely depleted during the burnout. So when you have adrenal fatigue. But little is known that perimenopausal and menopausal women, they start to actually produce estrogen and progesterone from the adrenal glands and from the breast. That's why, and from the belly, from the fat. That's why they have this abdominal fat, larger breast, and really depleted adrenals. So in this sequence, we learn how to relax the adrenals and in return, sleep better. So have nice nails, nice hair, great mood, to have a healthy vaginal mucus, and much, much more. So if you want to learn about this, I say it's a beta course, therefore I'm going to give my best into it, and I'm going to answer all the questions. And you have two options. You can either invest very little, because I stopped doing things for free because I don't want to attract freebie hunters. So it's for the price of 29 Swiss francs that I'm anyway going to give to the charity. That's the option one. And you will join the workshop, you get the recording. And if you want to give me feedback on that, write about it on internet, Facebook, Instagram, Google. You are also going to get 30 minutes online like this with me, where I will answer all your private questions and maybe give you some useful tips and tricks. If you want to invest more because health is your complete priority and you see that your hormones are out of balance now, you will pay 197 Swiss francs. You join the workshop, but on top of it, I am going to interpret your blood test results, therefore to see your sex hormones, where you stand right now, and which exercises in the sequence are particularly important for you. And that's not all. On top of it, you are going to have one session with me so that I see that you practice it in a correct way. That's a deal. I call it a deal. So don't miss this out. And you can sign up just by answering the email or sending me a message, whatever you prefer.